YouTube Automation, tutorial for beginners to make money online. It is no secret that YouTube can make you a lot of money. YouTube has made some of the internet's wealthiest people wealthy. If you want to make money on YouTube without spending money on ads, the YTA method is exactly what you need. It certainly doesn't hurt to have more than one source of income in these unprecedented and uncertain times. However, it would be even better if that source of income did not necessitate a significant amount of time and effort. Today's video discusses YouTube automation and how you can do it to make money online as a beginner. And if you enjoy such content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Here we begin. YouTube automation is the process of uploading and managing YouTube videos by software rather than by humans. The method has several advantages, including the ability to upload videos faster and more consistently, as well as manage a larger number of videos with less manpower. Furthermore, YouTube automation can help to improve video quality by ensuring that they are properly tagged and classified. However, there are some disadvantages to using YouTube automation, such as the possibility of errors and a lack of personal attention, which can result in lower quality videos. YouTube automation can be a useful tool for anyone looking to improve their video production skills. So, how do you make money from YouTube automation? Many aspiring content creators dream of becoming full-time YouTubers with millions of subscribers. There are numerous ways to make money from YouTube automation, literally hundreds, but one of the most profitable is through sponsorships. YouTube automation is one of the most rapidly growing methods of making money on YouTube. You can schedule your videos weeks ahead of time with automation, allowing you to focus entirely on creating great content for your audience. There are numerous ways to earn money on YouTube. One of the most popular ways to make money online is from Google AdSense to Amazon affiliate links. However, making money on YouTube is difficult. You'll need to attract thousands of viewers or subscribers and keep them interested. So each video you create must be turned into a marketing strategy. How does YouTube automation work? YTA Method now automates both the system and your channel. Viral videos are regularly uploaded to your channel using the method, even though you aren't creating them. You will take several steps that will assist you in making a successful YouTube channel. The first step is to choose a YouTube channel. This channel can now take various forms and have various names. The main point is that the channel is profitable and has a large audience. After you've found a channel you like, you should make a duplicate of it. Of course, this does not imply that you copy everything about the channel, from the name to the logo. The important thing is that you both exist in the same market. Sign into your YouTube account and then click the Creator Studio button in the top right-hand corner to begin. Then, on the Channel tab, select Uploads. Click the scheduling icon next to the Publish button from here. This will prompt you to enter the date and time you want your video to go live. If you don't want your video to be public right away, check the private box and click Schedule. YouTube will then publish your video at the time you specify. Finally, press the OK button to confirm. When you schedule a video, it will appear in the upload section of your channel with a green clock icon next to it to indicate that it is scheduled. You can also reschedule or delete your video by clicking the scheduling icon. And there you have it. You can easily set up YouTube automation for your channel by following these simple steps. All of this is done without you making a video or speaking into a microphone. All of the videos on your new page will make you money. All you have to do to make more money is rinse and repeat. Look for another channel to replicate and follow the exact pattern outlined to begin earning passive income. Here are the steps to follow to get started with the YouTube automation. Firstly, pick a YouTube niche. As any successful YouTuber knows, one of the keys to success is to focus on a specific niche. You can build a devoted following of viewers who are interested in what you have to say by tailoring your content to a specific audience. When deciding on a niche, think about what you're passionate about and what you're knowledgeable about. Once you've decided on a topic, you can begin creating content that your viewers will want to watch. You'll be well on your way to becoming a successful YouTuber if you can create quality content that appeals to your target audience. Then make it automatic. Additionally, monetize your YouTube channel. Hire a freelancer to create videos for you. Anyone involved in business marketing understands the value of videos. Whether you are just starting an Instagram account or creating a professional YouTube video, quality videos are required. This is why it is advantageous to contact a freelancer who can complete the task for you. These freelancers know how to make high-quality videos and spread your message around the world. It is up to them to determine which background music to use and which images are appropriate for the video's purpose. Come up with video ideas. YouTube is one of the most popular websites in the world, with over 1 billion users. Every day, hundreds of millions of hours of video are watched on YouTube, resulting in billions of views. Therefore, coming up with a great video idea is essential if you want to start your own YouTube channel. Keep the following points in mind when brainstorming ideas for your YouTube video. First, consider the type of content you want to create. Do you like entertainment, news, education, or something else? After you've decided on the genre of your video, you should consider what specific topic you want to cover. What do you find interesting? What do you think others would find interesting or useful? Remember that your video does not have to be perfect. Sometimes the best videos are unplanned and spontaneous, so don't be afraid to try new things and have fun. To script your video, hire a freelancer. You should consider hiring a freelancer if you need someone to help you script your videos. Here are some pointers on finding and working with a freelancer who can assist you in creating professional and engaging videos. To begin, determine the type of assistance you require. For example, do you require assistance in coming up with ideas for your videos? Or do you require someone to write the scripts? Once you've determined what kind of assistance you require, you can begin looking for freelancers who specialize in that field. Next, review potential freelancers' portfolios to get a sense of their style and approach. Then check that their writing style matches the tone and voice of your videos. Finally, when you're ready to hire someone, make sure you communicate your expectations clearly. Give them an outline of what you require and a deadline of when you need the work completed. This way, you can ensure that you and the freelancer are on the same page from the beginning. How to do a voiceover. Hire freelancer. When it comes to video production, the audio quality is just as important as the visuals. Hiring a freelancer to do the voiceover is a great way to ensure that your videos have professional sounding audio. However, with so many freelancers to choose from, it can be difficult to know which one to hire. Moreover, think about the type of voice you want for your videos. For example, do you prefer a deep, authoritative voice or one that is light and cheerful? Once you've decided on a tone, you can start narrowing down your options. Following that, listen to some of the freelancers' previous work. This will give you an idea of their price range and help you decide if their style is appropriate for your project. Finally, communicate your budget and timeline in advance. This will assist you in locating a freelancer who is willing and able to work within your budget and time frame. If you follow these tips, you can be confident that you will find the ideal freelancer to do the voiceover for your videos. Edit your YouTube videos and hire an expert. Hiring a professional video editor can ultimately save you time and money. A good editor will be able to transform your raw footage into a polished, professional-looking video that will wow your audience. But how do you go about finding the right candidate? When hiring a freelancer to edit your YouTube videos, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, look over their previous work to get a sense of their style and editing abilities. Second, make sure you clearly communicate your vision for the project and provide specific instructions on what you want to be edited. Finally, agree on a price before beginning to work to avoid surprises later. If you keep these factors in mind, you should have no trouble finding a talented video editor who can assist you in taking your YouTube channel to the next level. Monetize your YouTube videos. If you have a YouTube channel but haven't monetized your videos, you're passing up one of the most effective ways to make money passively. You can monetize your YouTube videos in a variety of ways, including displaying ads, selling merchandise, and partnering with brands. Finding your niche and creating content that viewers want to watch are the keys to success. You can make a lot of money on YouTube. However, if you want to make money on YouTube without spending money on ads, the YTA method is exactly what you need. Let us know your views about the YouTube automation process in the comments below.